Good morning, everyone. This is the Med City CPA, and I want to amend my prior video concerning the schedules, or I want to go in more detail about what I was talking about. So here we have, I'm on the irs.gov website, forms/pubs/about-form-1040. And here we are, we have the schedules 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here, for most people, you can see that it's quite shortened, right? We have reserved, we have reserved, we have reserved, reserved. But if you look closely, there's still some of the older schedule that's go with a letter, Schedule C, Schedule D, Schedule F, peppered throughout the quote-unquote new schedules, Schedules 1 through 6. And I just want to click through these. As you can see, they're quite shortened. Schedule 2 of the Form 1040 is only 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. One of them are reserved. And most of these are really short schedules. And it's just, yeah, it's interesting. It's a new look for doing the schedules. And let's just click through look at this, reserved, reserved, reserved. I don't know, it's kind of interesting. Here we go, Schedule 6. This one is just sign it, third-party designee, or for an address. Now, if you go, there's actually this website right here that will get you to what people were familiar last year, the new schedules. So for example, Schedule A, click on that, I'll show you guys. Here are the itemized deductions, which they increase the standard deduction. So most people, I'm guessing, won't need to itemize, but everyone's situation is a little bit different. So, let me see. That's Schedule A. There's a Schedule B that people are familiar with here. This is the interest in ordinary dividends. That's interesting here. Okay, yeah. It's like it was last year. Hold on. Use Schedule B if any of the following applies. $1,500 of taxable interest or ordinary dividends. You received interest from refinance. So it seems like special situations where you have high interest or dividend. But it sounds like primary income or loss from business operated as a profession or you practice as sole proprietorship activity qualifies as business if primary person given. So this seems like, unless you have a business or you have a special situation, you may just need to follow, here's the EZ, those numeric schedules for most people. Capital asset, non-business bad debts, Schedule E, EI earned income credit, Schedule F. I don't know. It's going to be interesting doing taxes this year. Looking through it. Schedule F, that's for farming. F, farming. Yeah, that's not. Let's see. And then Schedule F. Schedule H, that's household income. Paid cash wages to a household employee or wages subject to medical or you withheld federal income tax. So farmer, fisherman, Schedule J, Schedule R, credit for elderly or disabled, SE, self-employment, form, and then Schedule 8812, child tax credits. Let's see if well, this is interesting. Additional child tax credit, 2018 form. Yeah, so they updated it for the changes. Okay. So, like I said before, it sounds like most people, and it says right up here, let's see, where does it say that? However, if your form is more, many people will need to file a Form 1040 and no schedules. However, if it's more complicated, which we just looked through, you'll need to comply of the new schedules. Individual changes. Well, this is interesting. This is interesting. So it's going to be an interesting year filing taxes, but I just want to put out to everyone here, there are a more simplified version of all the forms and schedules. Be sure to read through everything and make sure you file your taxes correctly. And this is really interesting. Alrighty, well, hopefully this is helpful for everyone. Have a good morning.